formation. It looks like we could be forming a head and shoulder, so a reverse head and shoulder. So we've got the left shoulder, you've got the head, and then you've got the right shoulder forming. If this is a reverse head and shoulder, it could potentially...
Before we get started, just a quick disclaimer. The content on this channel is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not financial advice, and I am not a licensed financial advisor. Everything shared in this video is based on personal opinion, research, and experience. So please do your own research and consult a qualified professional before making any financial decisions. Investing involves risk, and you could lose money. By watching this video, you agree that you are responsible for your own financial choices. With that said, let's get into the video.
Welcome back to Bull and Bear Hunter. Today we are having a look at the silver chart. We're going to have a look at where it's been over the week and where it could be potentially be heading over the coming few days. Okay, so this is the monthly view. As you can see, we are currently down on the month. However, we need to find out where it could be potentially be going. So let's go into the daily and let's see what we can find. So on the daily, we can see we've broken this long-term support line, which is this red line. Okay, we've broken it. We've come down into some area of major support, and it looks like we could be potentially be bouncing and recovering. Okay, so let's go into the 1 hour. Okay, so the 1 hour shows some interesting formation. It looks like we could be forming a head and shoulder, so a reverse head and shoulder. So we've got the left shoulder, you've got the head, and then you've got the right shoulder forming. If this is a reverse head and shoulder, it could potentially mean we could be heading up to the 76 area on the silver chart. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to have a quick look at the 10 minutes. Let me just see what is showing up on that. So on the 10 minutes is that the same thing. We've got the left shoulder, we've got the head, and then the right shoulder. Okay, so if it works out, okay, we could be looking at a price target of 76. So if I just go back into the 1 hour, okay, you can see the long-term red line has been broken, so it's gone lower. Let's go into the daily. So on the daily, you've got a lot of resistance coming up ahead for silver. So we've got this area here, which is 70, and then we've got the 76 area as well. So what we're going to do is just keep an eye on silver, and let's see how it trades over the next few days, because from me looking at this chart, we've got this area here which we need to trade back towards, which will form a massive area of resistance. Okay, so trying to get over this will be quite challenging, so we might trade up to it and then drop back down to about the 71 before trying to go back up. However, if we do get over it, then we've got another challenge, which is this middle area, which is about 80 to 81. We need to try and clear before we can head much higher. But for now, we're gonna look out for that reverse head and shoulder and see if we can see whether it turns out and forms and plays out. Okay, for now, we're going to leave silver for the moment. If you like what you're watching, if you can help to support the channel by liking, sharing, subscribing, and yeah, just supporting the channel. And thank you for watching. Goodbye.